Hi there, just got Wessex Camping and Outdoors. Got a delivery. I've had my eye on what's in here for about 6 months. Pared it down to that's the one I want for many reasons. However, it was a grade 2 listed item. Now grade 2 is something that you would have possibly a broken strap, possibly a little tear, possibly a broken belt buckle. Ooh. So I thought I'd ring them up, and obviously with the pandemic as it is, you can't get a hold of them any easy way, so I've took the punt and took a chance. Many thanks, because a lad called Christian with a K once again asked if I was interested in something along these lines and sent something to help out with the purchase. So thank you, Christian. But I'm still waiting to see what I've got when I open it up. Broken strap, slight hole, I'm alright with. Frayed strap, alright with. What I really don't want is a broken buckle. So, let's take a letter opener and see what you get for a grade 2. Obviously, broken buckle, you're on the interweb. Getting another one. Please, 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 please. Just be ever so slightly used. Used is fine. Used is cool. Used is fine. Used is cool. Looking good so far. Handle works. Buckle. Good. Buckle. It's good. Colour. Fine. That's good. Strap. 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 Belt buckle's okay. Straps, okay. Strap, okay. Tiny thread there. Aluminium frame in pockets. Good. Tiniest thread pull there. Zip. Double zip. This is looking good. Is there one cover side? Buckle. Zip. Zip. Whew. So far, zip. Tiniest bit of use on the Velcro. Netting. Tiniest bit of thread there. Double zip. One. Two. Both top strap tunnels. Fine. Strap there. Fine. Strap there. Fine. Strap. In or back. And bottom one. Funny little clippy thing there. Strap. Strap. Okay, I'll shut my mouth. It's practically flawless. So, guys at the prepper shop, 10 out of 10 for that. That's bloody beautiful. Grade 2 my ass, that is a good second-hand bit of kit. Wow.